guys, so this is probably my last makeup tutorial for the night. Or makeup video in general for the night. I'll probably be doing more tomorrow or Monday. Or whenever I can get to it. So I'm just making my face. Hell, you can do that or whatever you want. I don't know what you want to do. You can use foundation, you can use basic foundation, and you can use face paint. So, I'm gonna be doing something pretty for once. I'm gonna do like a nature kind of thing. Okay, so you're gonna take some green. Okay. Or you can use, I feel green eyeshadow, which is pretty strange. You can just put that on there, but I'm using face paint. I don't have yellow eyeshadow, so I think I do have green eyeshadow actually. That's because I'm a special effect. Now to your brow, I suggest you put some yellow on the top. Oh, I'm sorry, I sound a little tired. I just wanted to do this one before I went to bed. Okay, so now your eyes are yellow and green. Your lips should be, I don't know. And I have to think what colors like vary. And blue on the top. You gotta be a variation of like colors. Okay, so now what else are we gonna put on our face? Well, some designs. I think I'm gonna use my face paint for this one. Let's dab some orange on. No, some yellow. And just go from the eye down and just like make like little rays of like pretty sunlight. Okay, that's good. Okay, so next we're gonna take some orange, mush that on there. We don't want to mush it too much. You can do it on your finger and just put little dots of orange on your face. Or you can just smooth that under there. And just give yourself a little bit of orange. Another color you can take is some white and just put it here above your eyebrows just to give you a little bit of sense of woohoo. Okay. Now we're gonna take the blue, put it, I need something that has an end to it. Give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna put the blue on an eyeshadow brush because I really don't use these. And we're just gonna dot it under and around. Okay. Next, we're going to make a flower. Okay, give me a sec. This is sort of like the wildflower thing that I did. I'm going more rounded with this though. I don't know why. I don't like the way that's spread out. Okay, that's better. Oh great, my rays of sunlight. Oh, alright, hold on. That sounded really hippie-ish. Okay. So we're gonna do the flower on that side. You can always do the sunlight over here. That's not working now, is it? My family's loud. Alright, so you can do like one thing over there. Now the flower, we have to make it look a pretty bright color. So we'll take it and we'll do an orange. We'll do an orange, sprinkle your eyebrow. That's like not rounded, that one's not. Give me a second. That's better. That didn't come out too well, did it now? Nope. Okay. Oh, like. Alright. So, next, we're gonna take. Is this a silver or like? Is this gonna come out ugly? Yeah, it's not gonna come out ugly. Oh, I'm gonna get some eyeshadow. I feel like I'm talking to myself right now. I'm gonna get some. Did I do what? Yeah, I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna take some white face paint and go over my eyebrow just to do it as a primer though. And I'm gonna take some silver eyeshadow and just put that all over this eyebrow because I don't know. I know. Take some face paint and just do the same with the other because I don't know. I just felt like it. Sorry, I'm being so. I'm just tired and I wanna just finish up my ideas for the night. What's on my face? Oh, what is that? Alright, so I have to lighten my lipstick again. Oh, what is that? I think I'm gonna, instead of the... I mixed purple and blue together on the top of my lip. If you want to do that, you can too. Hold on, I dropped the thing. Oh, it's on the floor. That's nice. Okay, so this is what I look like. If you like this, then you can tell me. If you don't, then I don't care. Hold on. That didn't work out now, did it? Okie doke. So I'll see you later. Nature goddess.